Sorry, you didn't get evicted, you just got moved to another apartment. And that's it. What's up? So, not sure if you guys saw my previous video, but there's a bird's nest at the front door. We have a nice wreath that is made of twigs and flowers and whatnot. So a bird thought, hey, that looks like home. Let me make my nest there for my babies. The really cool thing is that a buddy of mine at work told me is that there's a cowbird that laid her egg, which is just one, amongst the other eggs that are in that nest. It's, I guess, something that has been going on for millions of years, maybe hundreds of thousands of years, I don't know. So my purpose today is to build a box to move that nest into a box so that we can use the front door, because we can't really use the front door right now because every time it's shut, an egg falls out. Unfortunately, we had one instance where that happened, which is really unfortunate, but we didn't know until that happened and investigated a little bit more to figure it out. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do today, is build a box. This is some homeowner stuff that we have to do every now and then. But building a box is fun. I already had this box here. I made that last night with my Lichtenberg machine. But yeah, I have this box. I'm going to take these off. I'll cut that piece of plywood there and put it on here on the back. Make some brackets, and yeah, that should be enough. We'll see. Damn it. Yeah, that was smart. So the nest was back there. Oh, there's more back there. Oh, no, that's just, that's the wreath. And there we go. Mama was just here because these eggs are warm. Or something, maybe that's just from the house, I don't know, but Now, if anyone can tell me why there's a different colored egg, you get a prize. So I put these holes here, so hopefully, well, hopefully maybe she can see it through there. I don't know. She'll figure it out, I think. But how cool is that? There's enough space in there. She can hang out. It's a new apartment. There it is. Yep. Sorry, you didn't get evicted. You just got moved to another apartment. And that's it.